how to get this floral inspired look. Tape is on and we're going to do a really nice green smoky eye. We're going to be mainly using this palette. It's the 35A Up Till Dawn Artistry palette. I really like it. It has some really nice greens in it. And we're going to go in as a base with the Tidal Ray. So, and we're going to go over it quite a few times. I'm going to go up here, down and underneath, and I'm going to build it up. A little blending brush we're going to use Cabana Thirst, and we are going to just outline the eye here, bring it down and bring it over, and really blend that out. Kind of go down on your crease too, because we're going to use this as a gradient. Next we're going to go in with Nocturnal here, and we're going to go again on the outer edges and just kind of make an extra layer to this gradient and bring it out here. Lovely. Now we are going in with the Sephora eyeshadow. This is 384 Emerald. I'm just using my finger. We're going to go over here and just kind of bring it out too, because it has such a nice like gold undertone, and we're gonna shimmer this really, like shimmer it right up. So that's lovely, perfect, and it helps pull in the gradient. So now, last but not least, we're going to go in with the inner corner. This is another Sephora eyeshadow. This is Under the Cover. So I'm going to take my little eyeshadow pencil or brush, whatever you want to call it, and just go directly in the corner just to give it like that extra little pop here. And we're going to do a slight one right here just to do like that beautiful highlight and bring it down. Lovely. So I've tried every way to like figure out how to make this a press-on stamp for like some cool looks around my face, and I couldn't make it work, but I just got the great idea. Why don't I get some lash glue, put it on it, and just attach it as it is to my face? Why not? So I want one like right about here. And it can't be lonely. And we'll have a third one there too. So let me just pull it right off and apply that lash glue. Probably have to dip it back in here soon. My husband's gonna be shocked at this because he came up with this idea. And I was like, that's actually pretty smart. So let's see what I can do with it. So I like it. We're gonna add more and see how it goes. We're gonna go in with this. We're using the Danessa Myricks Color Shift in this shade Lift. We're gonna dip this in here, okay, but like lightly and gently, not too much. And we're going to just kind of like put little white flowers around here to make like a little bit of an accent here. Gonna dab that out, and we're gonna add that to a bunch of different places. So the final touch is we're just gonna fix up our eyeliner here, and we're good. All right, let's take off the tape. So crisp. I'm gonna do a little bit of mascara on the bottom lashes. So this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment what you'd like to see next, and subscribe. See you next time.